In this video, I will show you how to do a search using the Academic Search Complete database and using some of the advanced search features that will help you refine your results to help you find exactly what you're looking for. There are several ways to get to Academic Search Complete, and they may vary by campus library websites. But each library should have a link to databases. Click on the link and you'll find a list of databases in alphabetical order. Scroll to Academic Search Complete and click the link. If you are off campus, then you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. The Advanced Search option will give you greatest control over your results. The Advanced Search screen contains multiple search boxes to allow you to enter more than one term at a time. You can refine your search by using the fields in the drop-down menu. The All Text field searches for terms in the article's title, abstract, and full text. You can also search by author or title or subject terms. The subject terms field will find articles described with standardized terms that identify the article's content. You don't have to select a specific field, it's only an option. Here we have Boolean operators and, or, and not. And between two terms will retrieve articles that mention both terms in the article. So for example, Franklin Roosevelt and World War II. The OR operator between the two terms will retrieve articles that mention either terms. So Franklin Roosevelt or his nickname, that is known for also as FDR. And then the not operator will exclude terms. So Franklin Roosevelt not Theodore, who is his fifth cousin. You can also add more search boxes if you want to get a little adventurous. But the default is 3, which is manageable. So we'll scroll down to the search options, and under Limit Your Results section, you can specify to search for only peer-reviewed or full-text articles. Check the scholarly peer-reviewed journals box to view only articles that have been evaluated by subject experts before they were published. Make sure you check the full text box before searching. This will guarantee that all of your results can be accessed. You can also restrict your search to a specific date range, and there is also publication type. So if you're looking for a specific type, then you can choose between the periodical, newspaper, book. There's other ones listed down here, but if you just go ahead and leave it at all, it'll search all publication types. So we're going to go ahead and change this search. Go ahead and click search. Now on the results page, on the left-hand column, will show you what limiters we have used to refine the search. You can also make any changes to refine it further. And when you use any of the limiters, the results will automatically update. Okay. So say you want to look at the last 30 years. You can either change the year up here or you can use the slider. We'll go ahead and type in the year. And then for source types, maybe you just want to look at magazines and academic journals. Okay, so now we're down to 75, which is a manageable number. Okay, the little graphic, let me show you. The little graphic under the title here will tell you what source it is from, whether a magazine, which is a periodical, or an academic journal. When you find an article that you like and you want to read more about it, you can click on the title to see a detailed record. So let's go ahead and look, see which one looks good. Let's go ahead and click this one. So here it'll show you the author, the source from where the article is from, and in the subject terms, you can click on one of the subjects listed, where you can find more articles about the subject that you selected. So if you click on one of these, it'll take you to more articles about history, which is pretty cool. The abstract provides a summary of the article's content. So when you find an article that looks interesting, you can go over the abstract instead of reading the full article to tell you whether it will be useful or not. If you want to glance at the full article, you can access all available versions in the left-hand column. An HTML file has been computer formatted and you do not need any software to read the article. But if there are graphs or images in the original article, they may not always appear in the HTML file. PDF versions are a scan of the original article and will include any images and page numbers, so you can check it out just to see what it looks like. This is the PDF. This is the original scan. And it's got some pretty cool images. That's cool. So after checking out the article and you decide you want to keep it for later use, then you can use the tools on the right-hand column, or you can print, email, or save the article. If you click on the Cite button, it'll give you citations to use, what format you need, AMA, APA, Turabian, MLA. You can copy and paste them into your document, but always check this against the citation guide. There may be mistakes in Academic Search Complete, but this feature gives you a starting place for citation. So lastly, always remember that changing your keywords will bring different results. If you need some ideas for different keywords, use the subject terms within an article record or on the left side of the search results page. So this is the search results page, and you can find more terms over here in the subjects. So that's a pretty cool feature. And that's pretty much how to do an advanced search in Academic Search Complete by using some of the search features that help you refine your results. Good luck with your research and your papers.